In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a bank deposit using undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing a business, tracking your finances accurately is crucial, and QuickBooks Online is a fantastic tool that simplifies this process. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. If you aren't already logged in, head over to their website, click on the Sign In button, and select QuickBooks Online from the options provided. Enter your login credentials carefully. Remember, accuracy here is important to ensure smooth access. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the home page. Now that you're on the home page, look towards the top left corner of your screen and find the New button. It's a small yet mighty feature that opens up a world of options for managing your finances. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Bank Deposit. This action will lead you to a new page where you'll be able to see all the details related to making a bank deposit. On the bank deposit page, the first thing you'll need to do is add your bank account. This is where the deposited amount will eventually be reflected. To do this, check the options available in the drop-down menu and select the relevant bank account where you'd like the funds to be deposited. Next, you'll want to select the payments that are included in this deposit. Here you'll see a list of payments that have previously been received and are sitting as undeposited funds. Tick the box next to each payment you want to include in the current deposit. This selection ensures that all your incoming payments are appropriately funneled into the bank deposit, maintaining both accuracy and efficiency. After you've selected the payments, determine where exactly you'd like to add funds to this deposit. If you've received any other monies that need to be included, such as rebates or refunds, you can add them here by choosing the appropriate account from the drop-down menu. This step is essential in ensuring every penny that should be included in your deposit is accounted for, keeping your books up to date. Once all the relevant details are entered, you're ready to complete the process. Click Save and New to finalize the deposit. This action confirms all your inputs and records the deposit in the system. Lastly, go back to the QuickBooks homepage to assure everything has been recorded correctly, giving you peace of mind that your finances are up to date. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope this guide helps you manage your transactions more efficiently using QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this.